Remove photo background in Canva. Hey guys, okay? Leonardo Paiva back with another video, and in this one I'm walking you all through how to remove a photo's background using Canva. Do you like these types of videos? There are more related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, give me a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So let's do this, folks. First up, we need to go to Canva's website. Let me just type in the address here at canva.com. I'm going to press enter, and here you'll pick the design you want. If you're looking for a YouTube banner or a YouTube thumbnail, you're going to choose here what kind of project you're working on. For this demo, I'm making a YouTube thumbnail, so I'll click on that, and let's say I want to use a template, a pre-made layout. I'm going to select one here to use as our base. What am I going to do? I'm going to remove this photo and I'll replace it with another photo on the side. I'm going to click on upload here, upload files, and choose my photo. I've already uploaded it, guys. Let's say this photo here, so I click for it to appear here in the YouTube thumbnail. I click and it will appear here. How do I remove this background? Guys, what are you going to do? I'm going to click up here and edit photo, and I'm going to choose this option, background remover. It will automatically identify the background and quickly removes it. So that's it. It already does it here automatically. Just click here on edit photo and your photo will be here without the original background. Remember guys, this is a function of Canva Pro. It is not available yet in the free Canva. If you have Canva Pro, you can do it. Use this effect to remove the background. Did you get it? Put it down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm gonna stay here. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.